Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. If you loved our previous episode on Asari miso soup, you're in for a treat today. We have a fantastic recipe that used those leftover crumbs from our miso soup adventure. Today we are making Asari and Nanohana steamed in sake, an incredibly simple yet delicious dish that's perfect for spring. And guess what? We are using the microwave for this easy cooking method. Let's get started! First off, let's quickly go over how to purge sand from the crumbs. If you've watched our Asari miso soup video, feel free to skip ahead. First up, we are purging the crumbs of sand. This is crucial for ensuring your soup is smooth and grit-free. It's all about recreating the crumbs' natural environment to encourage them to release any sand they've ingested. This prep step makes the actual cooking process a breeze later on. Find a large container where the crumbs won't be too crowded. Mix the salt into the water until fully dissolved, creating a saline solution similar to seawater. This encourages the crumbs to purge any sand. Place your crumbs in the container, ensuring they are not piled on top of each other. Cover with aluminum foil, poking a few holes to allow for air circulation. Remember, crumbs need air to breathe. Let them sit in cool, dark place for about 2 hours. After 2 hours, rinse the crumbs in a bowl, rubbing their shells together to remove any lingering sand. The water will become cloudy as sand is removed. Drain the crumbs. If you are not using them immediately, you can freeze them for later use. Just make sure they are dry and store them in a Ziploc bag. Prepare the nanohana by trimming the end and cutting them into halves. If they are particularly long, aim for about 5 cm length. In a microwave-safe bowl, combine the purged crumbs, nanohana, and sake. Cover the bowl loosely with plastic wrap. Microwave on 600 watt for about 3 minutes or until the crumbs open up. If you need to microwave a bit more to open the crumbs, consider removing the nanohana first to avoid overcooking it. Once the crumbs have opened, plate them up, and you're ready to serve. Despite only adding sake, the umami from the crumbs creates a rich and flavorful broth. While we use nanohana today, feel free to substitute it with spinach or other greens for a delicious variation. Let's look over what we used today. And there you have it, a simple yet utterly delicious asari and nanohana steamed in sake ready in minutes with your microwave. It's amazing how a dish so simple can be packed with so much flavor. This recipe is perfect for a quick, nutritious side dish that brings the freshness of spring right to your table. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give us a thumb up, share with your friend, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy and delicious Japanese cooking tips. Thank you for watching and happy cooking! Bye bye!